I just made $450 in literally 1 hour just trading. I didn't even do anything. I just placed a pending order and the rest was history. Let me show you what I mean. The $50 to $100 account, it's almost a TP if you guys could see it there. I guess I can just let it hit. If it's gonna hit, I don't know. I'm looking to show you that regardless of wherever you are in the world, trading works. You just need to learn the things necessary in order for you to understand what's going on. As long as you can understand why the price is doing what the price is doing, you can make money. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to know all the technicals or the fundamentals and all the jargon, the terminology and all these different... No. Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing amazing. Sorry for the creaking chair in the background. I can fix that, don't watch that. But hey, it's currently Monday, brand new week, and if in the back look like a mirror to you, don't even worry about it. But as you can see there on the charts, we don't really have that much to go off of right now. It's 12 minutes after 9 New York time, and for those who've been following the channel, it looks a little bit different. I never really had these zones on the charts before, these like rectangles, and that blue line as well. It was a red line and I never really used that red line, but I might be using those zones and this blue line along with my other confirmations. It's a tweak, I could say, to the strategy, but I'm testing it out. I've back tested it over the weekend, but let's see how it goes. Don't have a trade for right now, and I also have a live with the community in 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go start that, and once I have a trade, I'm going to come back and give you all that update, and I'm also going to try to include a little snippet from the live as well if I can. But yeah, that's how it's looking. So as y'all can see, wait, where y'all can see there, let me just zoom in a little bit. I sent this one out to the community as a buy limit, but I'm that much up in profit right now, and as you can see on the screen here, I went ahead and purchased another 20k account, just one this time though, and yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I also have this trade. Let me just open it on TradingView so you guys can see it a little bit clearer. Yeah, this is the situation right now. And I also have this trade open on I got my boy on the phone, by the way. We're trying to set up his Binance right now so he can deposit into his trading account as well. Kevon on the line.
We ain't on YouTube, you know.
Alright.
Crypto is it.
Crypto is it. Alright. Yeah, but this is the situation on the $50 to $100 challenge on the Black Bull MT4 account, since I migrated from TradingView to MT4. And this trade is also using some of the new parameters that that I was talking about earlier. So let's see how it goes. A pretty sharp target. I'm just aiming for the lows created on Sunday. So yeah, let's see how price reacts once we get to that area. It might want to like reverse or something, but I'm just holding it for now. This is the situation, and as you're seeing here, I'm still sticking to the 1%. So yeah, and this is the situation for right now though, guys. So I'm going to close off the camera and come back and give you that update once we get to any of our points of interest. Okay, so we're back. Probably like 5 minutes after I just closed out the camera and tell y'all I'm coming back. But apparently we're at TP. Trade is over. I closed it manually, like almost at the bottom, just when we took this. Let me zoom in. So once we took this low right here, I closed the trade. And yeah, you might be saying, yeah, I cut short my profits and yada yada yada, but the truth is I still have the same mentality from before. I'm in trading to make money, and I was over 1-to-1. As long as I am beyond 1-to-1, and I feel like I should close this trade because we were right before here, and once the candle came here, it was just iffing around, but then it shot straight past as soon as I closed it. I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on with the charts. Like, it gets some personal beef or something with me, but that's cool. That's cool. I still, able to accept what I got out of it. So, as it is right now, I know I haven't done much of a proper introduction to this. I wasn't doing a series with 100K last time. I was just trading it for trading it to see how best I could handle that account size. It turns out that didn't go well. But I still have the $58 account, which is my second try on the $50 account because I blew it twice. So I guess we can start a new, or no, we ain't even starting a new anything. We're just trading, bro. Road to live. I'm trading a 20K account. I'm also trading that $50 account. I managed to secure this trade on both accounts. So on the $50, on the 20K account, it's about $178 in profit, which not so much, but at the end of the day, it's still something. It touched 200, but I said, you know what? If I held it to now, it would be a bit over 200, like 2 something. Like I said though, I was risking a little bit less than 1%, about 0.5%. So, I mean, looking at this right now, I'd be, yeah, it would be going good. But I'm. It's hard to say I'm contented because I ain't gonna lie, this is in my direction, and it's literally 5 minutes later. So, yeah, that happened. But my target was hit, and I am satisfied for the day. I really and truly don't have a reason to go back into the market. This is how trading used to be, buddy. Quick. I readjusted my targets from them lengthy 1 something and 2 something. Even though this was 165, it hit real quick. Most of my targets from now on are gonna be 120 pips max. I'm gonna be good with that. As long as I can account for the same in risk and still have a positive risk to reward ratio, then I'm going to have very, very sharp targets. So yeah, that's the situation for right now, and I guess this is the end of the video. I'm not gonna give you a breakdown of this strategy as yet until I forward test it a bit more and back test it as well, in combination with the things that I already use. Not really a strategy, it's just indicators, I can say. Indicators in price and an actual indicator on the chart. So until I get the hang of these 2 additions to the strategy, I'll keep bringing the videos as raw and transparent as I possibly can, showing you the reality of it, showing you all the wins, all the losses, and what it's like being a trader, full-time, part-time, whatever time. It's just like being a trader. So anyways, this is not the usual way the video goes, I understand that, and I really try my best to develop a routine around this new style. But hope you guys find the value in it. Hope you made it to the end. If you did, then please remember to like, comment, or subscribe, either one, and I'll definitely catch you in the next video. Peace. Alright, welcome back to another video. It's currently Tuesday, and you guys can't see the charts right now, but now you can. And yeah, that's literally the situation right now. I had this trade that I was monitoring on the live call this morning, and I called it out to the community as a buy stop. So on the $50 to $100 account, it's almost a TP, if you guys can see it there. I guess I can just let it hit. If it's gonna hit, I don't know. It kinda looked like it's gonna hit. Alright, that just hit TP. And I guess that just hit TP on TradingView there as well. So we can check it on the 20K account. I honestly haven't checked it because I just come back from town. So being honest with y'all. Alright, we up $425. I'm gonna go ahead and manually close that since we're at our area of interest, and I'm not gonna be greedy. It was just 430. I'm gonna take that 440. Thank you. And yeah, account now at, well, we in profit. I'm not gonna tell y'all the exact account balance because the kind of, you know, mess with me mentally. So y'all gonna know if I'm passing or failing these accounts, but I don't think I need to like disclose the exact amount. You know, I can be as transparent as I can without wrecking myself, bro. Anyway, why it looks so dark in here? I kind of got some really great news. I don't know if the video started the right way. I need to send out to the community that we're at Take Profit so they can close their trade. But before we get to that, if you're new here, my name is Kevon Roach, and this is my channel where I share what it's like being a full-time trader from the Caribbean. Life both on and off the charts. And as you guys can see, I'm using my earbuds as a microphone right now. I honestly don't know how good or bad the quality is. Well, even if it is good, you still won't have to put up with this level of good. You will have an even better level of good microphone quality, because I actually found the store today. One of my friends was like, yo bro, I know you're doing your content and what's not. I got this store that, you know, selling a lot of electronic stuff, and it looked like it's quality stuff. I could, you know, link you and see what's going on. So I went down to town today after the call to check them out, and they actually got the mics. The ones that I want, she said they ain't got right now, so in a couple of days. So hopefully by the next time I'm recording, or the next 2-3 videos, not even 2-3 videos, I'm not gonna record a video until then. I'm gonna save all the content. I'm gonna, you know, do a summary or whatever. But it's really good news, bro. It's really good news. By next week I should have that mic, and the quality is gonna be different. I'm also gonna get a light from them. It's not a ring light, but still it's the closest thing I could find. Still ain't getting the ring light. So I guess that solves that issue. Now, I'm not gonna show you guys the profit on the account, but I'm still gonna show you the dashboard for SiegFund because we're still trading with them, and I still have the 20k 2-step standard account. So I'm not trading multiple 20k accounts anymore. I'm just trading this one account, and I'm going to see if I can scale up eventually, but let's just, you know, take it one step at a time. I'm still using the 1% risk, not necessarily 1%, because this morning's trade was not 1%. It was somewhere between 0.5 to 1%. So it's still larger than the risk that I was taking on all of the accounts combined. And if you have been following, this should be about episode 5 of the $50 to $100 challenge. I think it's more than 5, because if you haven't been following, I've failed the challenge twice. So I was doing it on TradingView, but because I'm new to TradingView, and this is literally the first time I've been trading on TradingView, I've made 2 mistakes thus far that cost me. One cost me the account, the other one cost me a good portion of the second try. So to avoid those type of mistakes, let me just, you know, do it on MT4, where I'm more accustomed to, where I understand both opening and closing the trades a little bit better. Not that TradingView is complicated, it's just that I need to make sure that I understand that if I'm going to be trading with actual live funds there. So this is the situation with that $50 to $100 account. The balance is currently sitting at $83.76. Now, given the fact that we failed this twice, being at $100 is just, you know, $50 of the way there. I would need to make $151 to actually be slightly profitable, since I lost that first 100, to actually be profitable, and then maybe from there I would be taking the 50 to 100. So realistically, I would need to take this $50 account, which is now at $83, to $200. So let's see how it goes. I'm not looking to, you know, withdraw or do anything from the account, but I'm looking to show you that it's possible. I'm looking to show you that regardless of wherever you are in the world, trading works. You just need to learn the things necessary in order for you to understand what's going on. As long as you can understand why the price is doing what the price is doing, you can make money. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to know all the technicals or the fundamentals and all the jargon, the terminology, and all these different. No. I found that there are multiple strategies, there are multiple winning strategies, there are multiple different types of traders out there that use different indicators in price, that use different indicators in general, or different reasoning behind why they enter and exit the trade. So there is no one way of doing it. So you do not need to know everything, or you do not need to know a specific thing to a T. Just learn what it takes for you to understand your system, for you to develop your system. Or if there's somebody out there that has a system that is working, that resonates with you, that you can easily copy, then learn to work with that system. It's possible that you even adopt somebody's system and make it your own, just tweak it a little bit so that it, fits your personality. Because at the end of the day, trading is 90% you and 10% charts. You really and truly need to understand the type of person you are, the type of trader, what makes you, how you feel more comfortable in or out of position. So that's honestly it. There's honestly not that much for me to go over in this video, but I'm probably gonna combine this video with another day video, so y'all don't feel like I'm trying to cut you short or cheat you out or anything. But yeah, this is how it's gonna be from now on. Just maybe a little snippet from the beginning of the trade and then the end result. So let me just show you guys where I sent this trade out. Okay, so this is the update. But yeah, so it was at 17 minutes after 12 today PM. I sent this one out as a buy stop, and yeah, the rest was history. I need to update the chat right now, and yeah, everybody probably out to the trade because take profit got it anyways. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Not gonna keep y'all here jogging on. I'm definitely gonna catch you guys in the next one, or later on in this video when I just come back and give you the continuation of the week, because the work doesn't stop. The work does not stop. And if you've made it this far to the end of the video, then first of all, just big up yourself, know that I appreciate you. And if you found any value in this video, please remember to like and subscribe, because we have a lot more content coming your way. Peace.